Okay, so this is the Samsung Galaxy A03s. It's the successor to the A02s. We're quickly going to unbox this and then we can talk about this phone. We have a little pack that contains a quick start guide and warranty information, then the phone itself. We're going to put that to the side. Next we have a USB Type-C cable, a 15-watt power brick or charger, our SIM ejector pin, and ugly earphones. And that completes the unboxing. So no, we don't have a screen protector or case that comes with this phone. But now let's talk about the phone. It looks really similar to the A02s, but with a different finish on the back. This is the blue color. It comes in black as well as white. It's the same display size at 6.5 inches and almost the same display quality. The A03s is an LCD display this time around, which has the same 720p resolution and a PPI of 270, just like the A02s. And first impressions, well, it looks good. I mean, it's not the brightest display, but colors look really nice. At the top, you find the earpiece as well as the 5 megapixel front-facing camera. On the back, we have a triple camera setup with a 13 megapixel main lens, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth. We also have the flash. So in my A02s review, I talked about how the photos look kinda washed. Colors didn't look great on this phone, and it seems like the A03s has the same exact camera lineup as the A02s. But I would still be testing that out to see if perhaps photos look better. So if you're interested in a full review, I would encourage you to subscribe to the channel and maybe like this video so more people can get to see it. It comes with Android 11 and is set to get 3 years of software updates. So that's pretty cool. It has a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, which is actually better than the Snapdragon 450 on the A02s. I had no problems with the performance on the A02s, so you can imagine that the A03s should perform just as good, especially when it comes to battery management. It comes with either 3 or 4 GB of RAM with 32 or 64 GB of storage respectively. Now I do have the 4 GB model, so I don't know, bear that in mind. It costs about 68,200 or 60,400 for the 32 GB version, which is about 11,500 rupees or 12,500 rupees, or $159 or $189. And for battery, it has the same 5,000 mAh battery with 15-watt fast charging. Now, the main thing I felt was lacking on the A02s, which I mentioned in the review, was the lack of a fingerprint sensor, and they fixed that. It's mounted to the side and works relatively fast. So for those wondering, underneath the phone we have the headphone jack, the Type-C port, as well as downward firing speakers. So in summary, it's basically the A02s with the same cameras, same battery, basically the same display, but a better processor and a fingerprint sensor. So those are my initial thoughts. Like I said, I would be doing a full review. So if you want to see that, again, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have any questions, perhaps that could be included in the review, and I would see you when you see me.